Hello friends, welcome to the TechLizen channel. So friends, today I will talk about BenQ's pre-calibrated 31.5-inch 4K monitor. So friend, BenQ announced the upcoming release of the PD3225U, a 31.5-inch 4K LCD monitor designed specifically for video editors and content creators. And friend, this model, part of BenQ's AQCOLOR series, is intended to succeed the PD3220U and offers enhanced features suitable for creative professionals, and the monitor is set to be available from 8th April. And friend, it utilizes an IPS panel with 4K UHD resolution, providing high brightness levels of up to 400 cadmium per meter square, contrast ratio of 2000 jam1. It covers a white color gamut with 98% DCI-P3, DCI-P3 and 99% sRGB, ensuring accurate color reproduction and natural gradation. The monitor also supports HDR10 and VESA DisplayHDR 400 standards for improved dynamic range. And friend, BenQ has incorporated a unique technology to correct unevenness, guaranteeing uniform brightness and color across the screen, and the display is factory calibrated to achieve color accuracy delta E less than or equal to 2. For enhanced productivity, it features multiple editing modes including design mode, the adjust brightness in 10 steps for optimal visibility. Additional functionality catered to video editing include picture-in-picture and picture-by-picture capabilities. The monitor also prioritizes eye care, offering blue light reduction and flicker-free technology. The technical specifications include color depth of approximately 1.07 billion colors, 5 millisecond response time, and 178-degree viewing angles both horizontally and vertically. Connectivity options comprise DisplayPort 1.4, HDMI 2.1, Thunderbolt 3, and also delivering up to 85-watt power for device charging and featuring KVM switch function. And friend, if I talk about the pricing, the estimated retail price is set at approximately $1,099. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.